so afraid just to say a hello.
Hey guys, welcome again back to my channel to another nail tutorial video. So today I'm gonna be using the Kiarasky the jelly tips starter kit, and for the first time in my life I'm gonna be doing long nails. These are my natural nails. I've always have my natural nails, paint on my natural nails, but today I'm gonna be doing something different. So I went to Kiarasky's website and I got these beautiful stuff right here. So to start with, I have this box that it's a set of jelly tips that comes. It's so nice. I love the packaging, everything. It is so well put together and all that kind of stuff. So when you open it, you have this beautiful gorgeous kind of packaging thingy going on, and here you have your jelly tips. I got the long coffin, so here you have your tips with this cute little container. So in here you get your tips and all the numbers you can get. So they start from 00 all the way to 9. So a 0 is like the biggest one, and then the 9 is like the smallest one. So yeah, you have all these varieties of nails you can pick from, which is so nice, so cute. I love how like the jelly tips feel and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, then down here you get your instruction guide. So they just like tell you exactly what to do, how to prep your nail, how to put the tips, and how to put the color if you want to do anything like that. And here you have your numbers, like the steps. So the first step is prep, the second step is primer, the third step is builder, and then the top coat is the last step. And then the next thing I got is this beautiful, really nice, like a duster brush for like my nails. I used to use my makeup brushes, but I don't want to ruin my makeup brushes. So here I got this really nice, fluffy and really soft synthetic duster brush, which is so nice, so cute, and I love like the crystals it has in this. Just super cute. Yeah, and it's like pink color. So this is a starter kit, so it comes with like the jelly tips, the steps, and the lamp. So you get like the curing lamp. You don't have to buy anything like that, which is, I think it's so nice, because yeah, these lamps can be so expensive on its own, but yeah, with the set it was okay, like reasonable price. Okay, so that is what it looks, and when you open it, just get like this two manuals things, and that is the lamp, because it is so tiny. Look at that. That is so tiny. Oh my god, that's so cute. So yeah, you get your like plugins and stuff, and here you get your lamp. Oh my god, this is so tiny, you guys. I didn't know it was this tiny. Like, okay, the picture looks, well, the same, I don't know, but yeah, you know, like I wasn't expecting it to be like this tiny, but it's cute. It's cute, I mean. And of course I had to get some different kind of deep powder colors. You guys know I already have the starter kit, the French kit. If you don't know, or you want to see how they look like, go to my other videos and check those out. So I got this really beautiful, like this is like a turquoise blue color, and this is like a pink color. This one is called Petal Dust, and this one is called Give Me a Beat. Yeah, this color looks so good, and I think that's what I'm gonna be doing, or like I do an ombre. I'm not sure, I might do one color, but yeah, that's all we have. Okay, so I already went ahead and like sized my nails, and so I have from my thumb to my pinky right here, and that is my left hand. So these are the nails that I'm going to be working with. So the first step you want to do is just like file like the tips, cuticles of the nails, so like they fit like really perfectly. You are supposed like to file the inside of the nail, so like it has like a place to stick, but I don't have an e-file, and my normal file cannot like go through, like these things are like really tiny, so I'm just not gonna do that. But if you want your nails to like last long, please do that. I'm not gonna have them for a long time, so yeah, just go ahead and file the cuticle area so like it fits perfectly and it doesn't stay on the skin. Okay, so I already prepped my fingers and all that. I did all push back the cuticle stuff, so I'm just gonna go right ahead and start. So the first step is you apply the prep to all of your nails, and that's what I'm gonna do. And the second step is you apply the primer, which is the step 2. So I'm going to apply the primer on all my fingernails. The third step is to apply the builder, just a thin coat to all your fingernails, and then you have to cure them for 30 seconds in the lamp. Okay, so I already did my first layer of builder gel on my natural nails. Now the next step is you apply the builder gel on the area that's gonna get contact with your natural nail on the tips, and then just press it really hard and then cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, so this is my first attempt and I got a little bit of bubble. You're not supposed to get a bubble because your nails will not last long. But yeah, it was a first try, so it's not bad. But yeah, as I said, I'm just gonna stay with these nails for like 5 days because I'm not supposed to go to work like this. So it's not bad, but yeah. So now I'm gonna attempt to do my second nail. I hope I don't get a bubble. Okay, so this is a second attempt and as you can tell, I don't have a bubble. Yep, so I guess I didn't put a lot of like builder gel, but with the manual it says you put a thin layer. I tried to put a thin layer but it didn't work out, and I put a little bit more and it worked. So yeah, you have to really press down. I know my like arms hurt, but I have 3 more to go, so yeah. Okay, you guys, so all 5 nails are done and this is what we're having. I ended up mixing 2 tips to different fingers, but it don't matter. It's just like I have like a little tiny gap because that tip was supposed to be in that finger, but the rest are okay. And yeah, so this is what we have. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put my powders and yeah, keep on watching. Okay, so I went ahead and removed the shine. I just filed and buff. I haven't like filed the shape yet, so yeah, we are ready to start with our like powders. So you guys know the drill. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm just gonna like put it on time lapse and I'll be like real quick. I won't talk because you guys already know the drill. If you don't know, go to my other videos that I did other dip powders and watch the process. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. Okay, so I already did the first step of dip powder, which is like the natural. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing and dip it to my desired color. Okay, so this is the first layer. So far so good. I really love these colors, you guys. This petal dust color, it's so beautiful. It has like these sparkles. I don't know if you can see them. It has like some sparkles. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. But yeah, they're still messy because they're not filed, and yeah, the second layer is not done yet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the second layer, and I'll be right back to show you. Okay, you guys, so here I have my nails all done and stuff. These are so pretty, you guys. This is my first time doing these nails. I've never had long nails like this, but I really love them. I already lost a rhinestone right here because yeah, it's too much. I'm learning to have long nails. I can text, I can do anything, but yeah, I really love how they turned out. These colors though, oh my god, look at that, you guys. That is so beautiful. Yeah, but that is what we are looking at, and yeah, I love them. I love the tips. They were like so nice to put on. The powders, like these things are so pigmented. Like yeah, you can tell, these things are pigmented. And yeah, they look like acrylics or like I don't know what, but I'm gonna take like really nice pictures and post them on Instagram and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me trying to make my nails long for the first time ever, and I hope you like this video and give it a big thumbs up, and I'll do more of these if you guys want. But yeah, I mean, tell me what you think in the comment. Do you like these colors? Yeah, we are done. So I'll see you on my next video. Bye. Peace out.